Hey everybody, it's Charlene with Roadrunners, and I'm in Hays, Kansas tonight. A little bit of a drive coming from Abilene, but not too bad. Anyway, this is room 211 at the Hampton Inn in Hays at exit 158, I believe. Pretty much standard king. It is located almost right next to the elevator, which that wall over there is going to be near the elevator, which probably won't be great. But not much I can do about that. Because I asked and they wouldn't move it. So, something to be aware of. And it is on the second floor. So, it's standard Hampton room. So, hopefully, there's an IHOP next door. So, I think I'm going to run over there and get a bite to eat. So, hopefully, we'll be comfortable this evening. And tomorrow we get to venture around Hays and see what's here. Looking forward to it, as always. So I hope everybody has a great night, and I'm off to get some dinner.